What's up, folks? My name is Felix. Welcome back to this weekly update on Wolf Capital. In this video, we want to go over the current situation. How has the last trading week been? We want to talk about the recent FUD of the True Wolfer videos and, of course, what the current statistics show. Without further ado, we want to jump right into it and take a look at the previous trading week, which was from the 19th to the 26th of June. Trev realized a profit of roughly 420k, which equals 8.5%. So we had, in terms of the Ponzinomics situation, a very good week, because if we compare it, the maximum daily reward is at 1.1%, so 7.7% a week. So we gained a little ground on the Ponzinomics situation, which was in the last video around 25%. So we should be around that amount currently. My current investment situation is still the same. The contract balance has 60,000 US dollars, and we see, if we take a look on the chart on Moonark, that there were a lot dips in the last days and they had to inject funds into the contract balance to give the people the opportunity to withdraw their profits or unstake their stakes. So the thing I want to talk about in this video is the Drew Wolfer FUD, I would call it. So he made another video about Wolf Capital and will probably do another one today or tomorrow. In this video, he is talking about the previous projects of Trev. And Trev had two previous projects. There was one minor project on a Binance Smart Chain and there was one fork of Wealth Mountain. And he's claiming in this video that he has now exposed Trev because he had Ponzinomic projects in the past. So I think we all know that these minor projects are not real minor projects. Like if you would mine Bitcoin, minor projects are Ponzinomic projects, like for example the BNB miner, which is reliable on new capital, and everyone who did his research should know that. The same thing applies to the fork of Wealth Mountain. There was also no revenue stream. This was basically a staking project, and for every around 10 days you left your capital in the platform, your daily percentage increased, and at one point it collapsed. Wow, of course it collapsed because the daily percentage was too high and there was no revenue stream. So there is no exposing. Everyone, again, who did his research knows how these projects work. The only valid point he brought in is the trading results of Trev. And for this topic, I want to make a suggestion, because if we take a look on the weekly profits since the project started, we can see that there were a lot of weeks where we had over 10% or nearly 10% in profits. And these are, of course, outstanding results. And these results are presented to us investors on a weekly basis on their trading report. This trading report is shared in their Telegram announcement. Of course, this trading report could be faked. I'm not saying it is faked. So my two suggestions at this point are to get rid of the FUD. Aurea and Trev, if you're watching this video right now, please talk to Drew Wolfer. Best thing, in my opinion, would be that this call is private and you talk with him about all the points he is fudding and show him that the trades are real. And after that, second suggestion, the current portfolio value should be at 5.2 million. And just do a uncut video where you show that the funds are there, the funds which lie on the exchanges or are currently in active trades, and nobody will FUD anymore. And if the funds are there, I think there should be no problems showing them just in a short uncut video to the community, and everything will be fine. I personally would like to see this video as well, and I think it would gain a lot of confidence in Wolf Capital and attract a lot new investors. The last thing which we want to now talk about are the current statistics, as always compared to my last video. My last video was 7 days ago. The average ROI rose by 4%. The wallets, the active wallets, rose by around 100. So this is slowing down a little bit compared to the last weeks, and the people are taking more profits. We can see, as I already explained in the beginning, that more injections are needed. You can also see this down here. So there are all the injections which have been made to the contract balance. And the last thing I wanted to show you are the daily net balances right here. So we have positive days. For example, the 24th was a very big day with 70,000 in new deposits. And for example, the 26th right here was a negative day with 160,000. So they are filling up the contract balance with the funds from the trading balance whenever needed. And I think that's the most important thing for us, the investors. So summarized, I would really like to see that they prove Drew Wolfer wrong, that he can't do these type of videos anymore, and everything should be fine. If you have an own opinion on all of that, would be great if you share it down in the comment section. If you like today's update on Wolf Capital, please click the like button, and if you don't want to miss future updates, you are right here on this channel, and I will release new videos almost on a daily basis. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.